So let's talk about global search. Global search is the search box which you see here. This search box is very efficient and works technically with all the objects where you have search enabled. So you can search for a username, an email address, anything, and it would try to find it. So let's try searching my name here, and any record which is associated with that your search keyword, it will try to pull up those results. So like it has found one user in my name, then there is a file which I uploaded. So it will find people, it will try to find files, it will try to find accounts, contacts, anything and everything. And the interesting bit is that you can define this particular result section. So what which objects you would like to come on the top, you can define that. You can also define which fields of that particular object you want to show in this particular layout. So it's pretty customizable, and you can do a lot of such things in Salesforce. Please share your questions, thoughts, and feedback in the comments section, and I'll get back to you.